Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In an upcoming workshop, I'll work on goldfish. In this particular workshop, we'll work on the anatomy of the goldfish to make sure we understand how many fins and what kind of different eye structures, different tail formation a goldfish might have. But because there are many species of goldfish, so what we want to focus on is how to paint goldfish to look like this. This is a freehand goldfish that doesn't need a sketch. And then I would like to teach you how to make this, freely. And in order to do that, we will work on stroke by stroke. And then, like make sure that you understand how to put this together. And last but not least, we'll also work on, how to work on different kind of vegetations or, things to enhance the painting and also patterns on the goldfish and things like that. So but then most basically we want to work on how to paint goldfish freehand on this, and with this you can actually modify this, as I said earlier, that there may be different tail formation, there may be different eye structures that you can modify from this basic stroke and get to the goldfish that you are looking for, to have specific specialties in the eyes or the tail or the hump and things like that. So we'll work on the freehand goldfish. And if you are interested, I also have a workshop focusing on the way that Lingnan Master Jiao Xiao on paint goldfish. But hope to see you in this workshop and also the next one. Thank you.